Māori o re te iwi, we're into it with a grin e te whānau. We've got race 170. This is the first lot of the K finals. This is for the under 16 boys, dub 6, 250 metre. Lane 1 is te kura kaupapa Māori o whakarewa I te reo, whakarewa legit. Lane 2 is te Kōpuku High School. Lane 3 is Taupo Nui Atia. Lane 4 is Ruapehu College. Lane 5 is Ngātai Atea Pueru Kiwi. Lane 6 is Kaipara Whitebait. Lane 7 is Manurewa Green. Lane 8 is te Wharekurua Mowau Tim Tams. Lane 9 is te Mount Maunganui MMC Boys 1. Lane 10 is te kura kaupapa Māori o Waitaha Nui Pākira. Lane 11 is Kaipara Young Guns. And lane 12 is Francis Douglas o Tamatea.
And we have a green flag kua timata, te whiringa toa te kei tuatahi, mō ngā tāne te kaumaono taumera roiho te pakeke. It's still anyone's race at this point e te whānau.
Wicked blanket start at the top end for this, the first of the finals. We're coming in hot and heavy with about 12 of our finals, jam-packed, back-to-back. This is where you're going to see and whai wāhi atu ki ngā champions of champions e te whānau. Today we're going to see the podium getters as they cross through that half line, coming through the first in lane number 6, Kaipara Whitebait.
It's still anyone's race at this point. Toihua ka kite, ka piki te manawa taki. Ka kite I te tō ngaki. Hara mai te toki.
Haumie, huie.
Taikie.
Man, they're etching ever so closer to that last 30 minutes of the course.
Ooh.
It's going to be a blanket finish. 6 and 5. 6 or 5.
Oh,
no way.
Oh, in the third place even.
I reckon it was 6, just by millimeters. But your eyes are way younger than mine. Either 6 or 5, but yep.
Live results.
My money's on 6. But if you want to put your money somewhere, put it on live result, te whānau, they'll let you know.
Oh, yeah.
Kaipara Whitebaits, lane 6. Give me that money. Rawe ngā boys no Kaipara Whitebaits established themselves at the start of the race, held momentum through that halfway line. There's the start end. Anei te tuku ruatanga o te timatanga o tērā reihi. Rā. He timatanga praikete tēnei. Nice blanket start.
Throughout the whole race, we were pretty close together. Onorima. Oh. Depends what angle you're watching from.
Ai, tika ana. Tika ana. Here goes your actual results though. Kaipara with a time of 1:10.87. Second to come through lane number 5, Ngātai Atea Pueru Kiwi. 1:10.90. 1:12.71 went to Taupo Nui Atea, who come over in third.